First, so this is going to be all science collective, almost personal reading. So all that you need to know about your person moving forward in this connection. So let's start. What's currently happening? I hope you guys are doing well. So let's start. This is going to be for all signs. So like it doesn't have to be Libra or Gemini or Sagittarius. This is a collective energy. Mostly deals with spiritual connections, soulmate and twin flame, not your regular connections. Okay, something that you consider spiritual, either a soulmate or a twin flame or whatever, soul tribe, soul family, you name it. Okay, so what is currently happening with you? With King of Swords and Ace of Swords, some of you guys are waiting for clarity. Okay, some of you guys are waiting for communication. Some of you guys know that the person you are dealing with, commitment is something that you don't see happening very strongly. Okay, the energy currently is that you are very practical about it now. You are not so emotional about it. Okay, with Ace of Swords, you might also want to communicate with your person, telling them that if there is no communication, you don't wish to be a part of it. Okay, with Ace of Swords, clarifying with Eight of Swords, you no longer want to keep yourself stuck to the situation. You no longer want to go through the ups and downs and feel caught up, feel stuck to this person when it's giving you nothing at all. So rather, you wish to break or let go of the situation, then be a part and get drained from it. Okay, so that's your energy. This is going to be done for the next 3 days. Okay, so don't have to worry about, oh my god, is the connection ending? No, the energy keeps changing. Okay, one more card, what you guys are going through. Yeah, with the Hanged Man, many of you guys have finally got that awakening, or you finally realize something that you were not wanting to face. Okay, with Five of Swords in the reverse, you are done playing the games. You are done going through the ups and downs with this person. Being part of the game, the journey, all that they made you go through. You are wanting to be a part of it because you thought that this will lead somewhere. Right now, with Page of Pentacles, you're very much wanting to hold yourself back. I feel you're going to be open to communication. However, you're not open to playing games again. You're not open to like letting yourself go through the mess all over again. Okay. One more card. What's coming up for you guys? What's coming up for you guys for the next couple of days? What's coming up for you guys? We have the Moon card. So still there are secrets that you need to know about. Your person is possibly not being very open to you or not being communicative to you. You are still unaware what your person is going through. Yes, you have got the knowledge that this is something that might not lead to a future or a commitment, but there is still something more that you wish to know about, but you have no idea. Bottom card, King of Cups, top card, Two of Wands. In the past, you wanted to wait, you possibly wanted to figure out where this would go, but right now, you're keeping yourself open to other possibilities. Okay, if this doesn't work, I don't think you're going to possibly hold back and cry. Yeah, some of you might still want to possibly cry over it, but that's fine. But I don't see you completely dying for it, or if it's not him or if it's not her, I would not want to be with anyone. Not that sort of a crap going on in your head. Okay, so you're basically being much more open-minded now. Okay, so one card for your person, one card for what your person is going through. Soulmate, twin flame, your person is going through for the next couple of days. Okay, with the World card, this person might be at a physical distance from you. Doesn't have to be. If it's not physical distance, then emotionally this person is at a distance. Okay, in the past with Strength card, they were resisting from opening up or wanting to offer you anything. Right now, your person, for selected few of you, might be traveling. Okay, World and Three of Wands usually means traveling. Okay, there is some physical distance that's gotten like between the two of you, or your person could also be focused elsewhere currently. Like they are not focused on their love relationships, they are focused either on their finances or their job or their family or whatever that needs their focus currently. Okay, one more card as to what they are going through. Okay, with Emperor card, this person is trying to be more in control of the situation. So I don't see them being too emotional or being too clingy or too like like how would I put it in words? Like too messed up about it. They are wanting to be in control. They are not wanting this connection to drain them. I believe you both are mirroring each other, where you both are not wanting to get affected by the connection. You rather are wanting to be in control and wanting to be fine. Okay, you don't want to get drained or hurt by the connection. Rather, you keep distance than get drained or killed by it. Okay. With Six of Wands, this person could have got your attention in the past, doing something, or possibly posting a picture or liking your picture or doing something. They got your attention, they had your attention in the past. When I mean past, I mean the past few days. Okay, top card with Two of Wands, I still see the person at crossroads. This person is not entirely out of your life, neither this person entirely in your life. This person is at crossroads, 50-50. Okay, one more card as to how are they thinking about you now, how are they possibly thinking about you now. With Queen of Pentacles, this person does care about you. They do wish to possibly reconnect with you, but in the past as well, this person wasn't giving anything. There was no emotional connect, like between the two of you. You guys felt disconnected. Major reason being this person was holding back. They were sabotaging the connection by not possibly opening up or not possibly telling you what they feel about you or the connection. Nothing. They were basically holding back. Okay, top card we have is the Hermit. However, I still see this person being emotionally distant. Same energy, but I see them like probably thinking about you, like possibly wondering what you're up to. Right now, with Emperor and Queen of Pentacles, this person might be too focused on their finances, like way too focused. Okay, either this person is wanting to earn more in terms of finances, or they are wanting to possibly like level up financially, like they are wanting to possibly get more stable financially, if that makes sense to you. Okay, one more card as to how are they wanting to come forward towards you now, how are they possibly wanting to come forward towards you now. With Two of Wands, I again see them being at crossroads. They are not sure as to how they should come forward or what they should do towards you. A part of them, I'll be honest, a part of them is forcing them into believing that they should not get so addicted to you or not stay so attached to you. Okay, one more card. What can you expect in terms of how they be like going to be coming forward towards you for the next couple of days? I still see many of you getting attention. Okay, for some of you, if there was a third party, okay, if there was a third party, they might be possibly letting that go. Selected few of you, not everyone won't have a third party, right? If your person was married, then that is a different situation. But if they had someone on the sides which was not that committed, then that could possibly be leaving soon. Okay, soon. I'm not saying it has already left or it's going to get over within the next 2 days. The energies speaks about them letting go of something toxic that they should let go of in order to make a move forward towards you. I still see them wanting to give you attention, wanting to possibly come forward. Okay, so one card for how are they thinking about you, one card for how are they thinking about you currently. With Four of Swords, right now this person has probably taken a step back from you. Okay, they are basically healing themselves. They are using this time to focus on themselves, refocus on themselves. Okay, I don't see them currently being in contact with you or having communication with you. Top card is Three of Cups in the reverse. Right now they feel it is not the time for them to reunite with you or to possibly come forward to you. Okay, reason being they feel drained, they feel not ready for this. Okay, versus how their energy towards you now, their energy towards you, what's the energy towards you moving forward. The energy towards you is the Fool card, which tells me that this person does want to take that leap of faith forward. They haven't given up on you. Okay, they might not want to stay addicted to you, because sometimes when we feel we are so obsessed with a person or so attached, that is a sign of weakness, right? Not all of you will want to possibly agree to it, but yes, sometimes when we feel like we are too attached or too obsessed or too addicted to a person, that doesn't seem right. I mean, when one wants to stay strong, one doesn't want to get too attached or too obsessed with a person. There needs to be a healthy like a relationship, or somewhere where you feel like this is equal. I mean, you don't want where you feel like you're so madly obsessed, whereas the other person is fine. So yeah, if that's something you'll probably want to understand. With Page of Cups, this person, I believe, is wanting to make a move. Okay, the energy says so that they want to make a move forward. Okay, in the coming days. Right now, with Ten of Pentacles, they are too focused on their finances, way too focused, unnecessarily focused. I do not know if you are dealing with Earth sign, because I'm getting a very businesswoman, like woman energy, where this person wants to get richer. Okay, like seriously rich. They want to feel victorious. They want to feel validated. Like, for them, success means a lot. For them, how people view them means a lot. Okay, such people are not very emotional. They are all about themselves. Okay, they want to feel victorious. They want people to accept them. They want people to celebrate them. Those kind of people are basically people pleasers. They'll rather live for others than live for themselves. Even though they come off very selfish, they are still being foolish, right? I mean, why the fuck would you live for others? Whatever you're doing for yourself, not for the for others' validation, or for others to accept you, or for others to celebrate you. I mean, whatever you're doing, you're working financially, relationship wise, it should be so that you feel good. Sometimes people also want like partners who look good, who are someone they wish to show off on social media. They are rather focused on that rather than the emotional connect, or the how well you guys vibe, or what sort of a connection you guys have. No, that is not a concern. Concern is rather than how much they can show you off on social media, how good you guys look, or how hot you guys look. That is the main concern. I mean, that is something you guys should let go of. Rather focus on connectivity, or how well you guys vibe on. Okay, so one more card. So currently, what are they wanting to offer you? I see them being at a distance, so this person will have to possibly, possibly let go of that thinking pattern in order to make a move forward. Currently, what what are they wanting to offer you for now? I see them only planning to come forward towards you. I don't see much. Okay, I don't want to lie. I still see them being closed off. Trust me on that. Okay, so if you ask me if they come forward, what are they going to offer me? Just attention, nothing more than that. Mind you, this is for the next 3 days, so you can't expect too much from this reading. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you. One card for their current feelings towards you. Current feelings, we have the Empress card. So they do know that you have been that source of happiness. You have been that source that gives them that strength. You possibly have been very nurturing, very caring. Okay, and they do not wish to lose you. Okay, one card with Four of Wands, they may also view you as someone who's marriage material, someone who they should marry, or someone who they should take very seriously. Okay, so right now, in terms of feelings, they do have seriously a lot of feelings. They are very much in their feelings, and they want to grow on it. Like, they want to basically build on it. Okay, so one card for what's really blocking them, if we may know, Spirit, what's currently blocking them. Currently blocking them is Ace of Swords. There needs to be more clarity in the situation. There needs to be honest communication coming forward. Okay, bottom card we see is Death card. In the past, you could have felt, or currently you're feeling like this connection is over, like nothing can possibly come out of this. But I still feel a lot is left in this connection. Okay, with Judgment card, this person possibly needs to let go of something. I'm not saying a person necessarily. They need to let go of an idea or way of thinking in order to choose you. They do love you, it's just that they are too blocked. When I see too blocked, it would either be negative thinking, toxic relationship patterns that they've always been a part of, that they cannot really see through. Okay, one more card. So what can you expect from them now? What can you possibly expect from them now overall next couple of days? I feel emotionally they'll still stay distant, but overall I see them making a move. Okay, Knight of Swords is a very fast moving energy. So like by the end of weekend, you can possibly expect this person to make some sort of move towards you. It is either going to be that they minimum, I would say that they'll either share a meme or something, or they'll just like your picture, or they'll possibly try to DM you. I wouldn't say that they'll come and meet you in person. Okay, but they'll rather make some sort of move. Okay, they'll make you believe that this is still on. One card for their intentions towards you. Now, what are their true intentions towards you moving forward? Intention, they want to start communication. Their main intention is to start something very small, but start something. Okay, one card for what action I want to take towards you now. What action is possible want to take towards you now? What action they possibly want to work on it. In the past, they possibly left you out in the cold, but right now they want to work on this connection. They do not want this to possibly, like, end. Okay, with Five of Pentacles, as of now, I do not see this person being around you. Okay, by the end of this of this weekend, where is this connection possibly going? By the end of this weekend, where is this connection possibly going? With King of Pentacles, I do feel like you guys are very focused on yourself, but I still very much feel like at least the toxic patterns are ending. With Three of Swords in the reverse, this person does want to heal the connection. Okay, bottom card we see is Knight of Pentacles. So this connection is possibly moving forward, even though it seems stuck, stagnant, and possibly at a very last stage. This thing is still on, darling. Trust me on that. Okay, so how do they view you now? How do they possibly view you now? I still feel that many of you guys will still feel separated by the end of the weekend. Okay, you guys won't really believe, even if they come forward, you won't really believe that this is still on. Okay, you might still feel that like you guys are in separation. With King of Cups, they know that they have some serious shit for you, and they also know that you have some serious shit for them. So the love is mutual on both sides. Okay, how do they view you? They view you as their counterpart, as someone who they have feelings for, as someone who has feelings for them as well. With Six of Wands, you make them feel victorious. You make them feel good. Your energy is something they wish to have around all the time. Okay, one card for what do they want from you now? What do they possibly want from you now? Ace of Cups, they want a brand new start with you. Okay, they want to reshot with you. They possibly want this to move forward. If you guys have broken off or possibly in separation, I can guarantee you many of you guys are coming back together. Okay, by the end of this weekend, please do let me know through comment, through DM, through Snapchat, through WhatsApp, whichever means possible. If you guys have gotten back after you felt like it was over. I don't feel it's over, even though it feels like, I don't feel like it's done. Okay, so let's take love messages. What do you have to know about this person? What are they wanting to say to you now? What are they wanting to say to you now? One card for that, please. Okay. I thought of living together with you. One more card. You came closer than anyone else. You make me feel like a queen or a king, whatever way you take it. Okay. Last card. Yes, I love you. Sorry, I lied. Okay, so if some of them might have told you like they just want you as a friend, like versus love, friend versus lover. Okay, so they might have forced you into believing that they only consider you a friend and nothing more than that, but they possibly lied to you. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for Almost Personal. I'm also doing soulmate readings, individual signs that I'm going to be posting at least once or twice a week. Please do support that next 72 hours. It's going to be individual, like Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, all together, like all in one reading, only all in one video, possibly giving timestamps. So please watch that. Also support your individual signs. Every time I post a video, every like that you hit on this channel or on the video possibly helps me get more reach. It possibly makes the video more visible to other people. Okay, that really helps. Okay, so if you could manage to still hit a like, that greatly helps my channel to grow. Okay, thank you so much for coming in. Possibly like the video if it resonated. If it did not, it's not your story, but if it did, consider hitting the like. All those who wish to get a personal reading from me, you could come and book one on my website, I'm also going to be introducing a very fast one question reading that is going to be up for $25. A small spread like 7 minute spread, 8 minute spread, that's going to be up for $25. It's going to be coming soon. It's going to be through WhatsApp, like through a call or through voice note. Okay. Thank you so much for coming in and see you soon, guys. Cheers. And also for Libra Twin Flames, all those who wish to buy the extended version of the video, Libra Twin Flames, only for Libras I've not done father signs. You could go and purchase one through my website. Okay, it's up for $6. Okay, so all those who also wish to join the channel, that is Tarot membership, I post such videos weekly, bi-weekly sometimes. I also post extended videos that's up for purchase as a bonus. I mean, that's free if you join. Okay, so all those who wish to join can join, but it's only up for Libra, Scorpio, Aries and Sagittarius for now. I'm not doing other signs. Okay, and Capricorn. So yeah, thank you so much and see you soon, guys. Cheers.